I live in the Oxmoor Landing subdivision in Birmingham, Alabama. The developer who sold me the lot lives down the street and across the street from my house. And we are approaching his house now. This is the developer, Alvin Johnson of Johnson Realty, who sold me the lot that is adjacent to the vacant lots that flood. This is the vacant adjacent lot that is next to my lot. It is for sale. This is my lot. This is another vacant adjacent lot to me, and these lots are on the front. We're looking in the front view of my home, and then if you look down close enough, you could actually see where the water from the adjacent lots behind me are flooding my lot, even from the front of the lot. We are walking around the street. This is a circle, and these are vacant lots that are for sale by Oxmoor Preservation 1. Oxmoor Preservation 1 is the current owner of these vacant lots. Their lots flood. They are aware of it, but they will not fix it. Judge Eugene Barron has said that I have caused the flooding problem, and I should be allowing flood water to flow through my bedroom, because of course their attorney convinced him that that was the case. But as you can see, that is not the case. And we do live in the city of Birmingham, and the city of Birmingham's laws and Alabama laws require that those neighbors are not supposed to allow anything to drain on another neighbor's property, and that includes water. So these neighbors, by law in the city of Birmingham and state of Alabama, are not allowed to drain this water on my property. But this is the back side of the lot, and you can see flooding that comes almost just really close from this lot, close to the street. This will be the front of the lot. And yes, this lot is for sale. So any potential buyer, if they were to look at this lot from the time frame of late June to mid-November, they would not notice that it would flood out. But typically late November to about June, these adjacent lots are flooded. And then they flood my house. And as you can hear the clamoring of the reptiles or amphibians or whatever species are living in that water, that clamoring is incessant. It does not stop at night. It does not stop anytime. So it is definitely a nuisance. And then if you look further on this adjacent lot that is behind my home, and I'll pan in so you can see my home in the background. These lots are wooded, so the camera won't show you a true picture, but it will give you a general idea. But also on the side of the lot, the developer Alvin Johnson bermed this side of the lot because apparently this flooding has been happening for quite some time, and he recognized it, and he was in the process of building this house you're about to see, and he actually bermed it up so the water wouldn't go toward this house. And that means more water comes toward my house. But when I say berm, he's laid trees and brushing a lot of shrubs and let that build up here. And so it wouldn't flow further into this area.